How to fix the Instagram error couldn't refresh your feed. So if you're unable to refresh Instagram with the latest posts, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. So the first step is to go and load up the settings on your phone. You'll then need to toggle on airplane mode, wait around 10 seconds and then try turning this off. Now click on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. If it's not working on the Wi-Fi, you can always toggle off the Wi-Fi and then try using your mobile data instead. Now come back over to the main settings page and now scroll down and click on General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs. As you can see here, it says not connected. Now come back over to the main settings page. Go and click on General once again and select iPhone storage. You'll then need to scroll down to Instagram, click on Offload app, and then just press Offload. You can then wait a few seconds. Once it's finished offloading, press Reinstall app. And once Instagram's finished reinstalling, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. Go and open back up the settings on your phone, scroll down and click on General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, press Reset, and click on Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter the passcode to your iPhone, and once your settings have been reset, you'll also need to restart your phone as well. Once your phone's restarted, you can open up the Instagram app, and you should now be able to swipe up to go and refresh the Instagram feed.